Hello friends, it's 12:45. I'm night hiking because I got snored out of the shelter. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's like 10.5 miles to town. If I keep hiking all the way through, I'm gonna get there at like 6 a.m. Nothing's gonna be open. I don't know what to do, but this is life on the AT when you're a light sleeper. Oh, I only stayed in the shelter because it was supposed to rain, and now it's very clear. Recognize the top of my tent from the inside. Um, so a couple things happened on this night hike. First, my foot started hurting again as I was going down a steeper incline. I said, okay, foot, I know you didn't even get a full night's sleep. Slowed down, it did okay. Um, so I started thinking about where I could stop instead of going to town. Thinking about the shelter, but then the headlamp started wigging out. I'm like, great, I didn't bring the little backup one. Fortunately, I got to this river that I was hoping to get to anyway, turned off the headlamp, tried to get it charging up, and was able to soak my feet. There's full moonlight, so I utilized that. Unfortunately, there was a very nice sitting rock. That worked out well. Got my foot really iced up. It feels really good now. And but I just thought, I don't think I want to proceed. It's getting more rocky. The headlamp goes out again. I'm going to be in a world of hurt because I've got quite a few hours yet till sunrise. So I got lucky and found this little site near the river, pitched the tent. Fortunately, it's a fast pitch tent, and I'm just going to lay here and get a few hours of sleep. When the light comes up, then we'll go from there. A nice little stream to be relaxing. 6:30. Check out the reflection in this water. I don't know if you can hear that owl hooting in the background. It's really nice. And he didn't dive bomb me. Here's where I camped last night, and now 6:30. We're heading down to town, about 7 miles. I'm just really loving the reflections in the water this morning. So last night, my headlamp was given out, made it to this bridge, and managed to see this rock. It was perfect for setting the pack against and putting things out without losing them in the dark. And then I sat right here on this rock, put my feet in the water, and then I could step them over onto that rock to get my shoes back on. It was just perfect. Good thing I didn't press on after that river in the dark last night with a half-working headlamp, because the trail has changed quite drastically from Pennsylvania pastureland to Rocksylvania rock garden. And this has been the easiest part today. Alright friends, my ultralight Z-Pax poles. First one broke, I think it was in Maryland, in that crazy rocky section, and now this morning in Rocksylvania, the other one broke. Oh man. My wife already sent the replacement for the first one. And she said, do you want two or one? I said, I only need one because the other one was just fine. Oh man. mishap. You know she's always got these intuitions about that. Why didn't you just take it? I think I was thinking, what am I going to do? Then I'm going to have a half a pole I got to ship back. So I've written Z-Packs hoping that they'll just send me the last piece for each of the poles. And because they're fairly new, I got them right before this hike. So hopefully we can do it that way. Otherwise, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I don't think I really want to walk through more of this rocky stuff without full poles. I'm either going to have to wait, which I don't have time for, or perhaps I can get a replacement pole in town. It's not like $500 or something. Otherwise, I might just skip ahead and do a section that I can walk while I'm figuring this out. I don't know. Life on the AT. So a little side trail, come down to this rocky outcrop view. Thought I would treat us all to this. Duncannon, Pennsylvania. I believe that's where we're going. Finally got to a place where the stairs weren't near vertical. Just to show you, it got really difficult. This is the easy part. Glad I didn't do this in the night. Hey friends, we made it down. Nice trash cans there, got rid of all our trash. And a through hiker's dream, a porta potty with toilet paper to take care of business before heading into town. Hiker trash approaching Duncannon, Pennsylvania. Poor Duncannon. Check out this map. We started here, went up to Springer Mountain, hiked through Georgia, North Carolina, the Smokies in Tennessee, and all the way out, all the way to Damascus, Virginia. Went through all of that Virginia stuff, all of that Virginia, and hit Harper's Ferry in West Virginia, then Maryland, and now we're working our way through Pennsylvania to right here. Pennsylvania, New Jersey's next, New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, then Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. I'm so thankful for this group. Wow, they even have some food you can eat, shower, bathroom, Epsom salt. I want to try that. And then camp out here. So far I really like Duncannon. It's a cool town. A lot of people have been super supportive of hiking as I've been walking through town. The post office had a hiker box, had all kinds of tips about the local trail. The pub owner, she was walking laps. I ran into her a couple times. She was real sweet, showed me how to get here.